All right, that was a day. It is 5:45, dark, extremely dark. Had to stop filming and use my phone light to finish up. So, sun's down, the phone's dead almost, and I'm going to get some coffee, going home and get dinner, because my soulmate's been cooking. Yeah, y'all be good. Hope we got some good footage today. I don't know. Peace. Welcome back to another episode of Elite Landscapes Life Stories. Back on the scene today. It's Sunday. We're gonna make this place look tight. Working down the side of the house here, and we're gonna start up there at that roadside bed that I parked at. So while I'm over my head in trimmings and cleanups, I'm curious, what have you guys been doing to stay busy since the grass stopped growing? And what do you plan on doing to stay busy and keep that income flowing throughout the winter months? I'm curious to know, guys. Leave in the comments below how you're gonna survive this winter and still make that money come in. Alright guys, back for some more today. Do some good stuff. Alright guys, trimming back the sedums here, the peonies that were on both corners there. We got these two little ugly rose bushes that I'll probably end up replacing in the springtime because they haven't been doing too good the last two seasons. We'll go ahead and replace them. We got the two small green boxwoods. Those are gems, the gem boxwood. This is a holly bush I'm trimming now, and I'm gonna give you the safety tip of the day here because I almost died, and I think you guys need to know the safety tip. It's important. When trimming bushes, especially at your face level, keep your mouth closed. Keep it closed. Oh my gosh, I almost died right there. I had a holly thing fly in the back of my throat. Safety tip of the day. Trim bushes with your mouth closed. Good Lord. Alright, that was good for that bed. We're gonna leave those pampas grass till they brown out. We'll come back and trim them later. Alright, so to set the record straight, those are the actual pampas grass, okay? That's their name. Now, all those grasses that you see here and there with different styles and looks, they're all called ornamental grasses. That particular one that I had behind that holly bush is a pampas grass because of the blooms it has. So from now on, if you have a grass like that, call it a pampas grass. If you have other ornamental grasses, call them ornamental grasses. Okay. I think these are blue junipers, owl blue junipers. I believe that's what they are. And yeah, trying to keep it right height. That way the climbing hydrangea can showcase itself in the spring when it blooms out. I didn't trim that hydrangea because the new buds grow on the old wood. So we trim those after they bloom and they're done blooming in the spring. yeah, back to work. Alright guys, you'll notice on these boxwoods, I do not trim all of them, and I do not trim every single inch of the bush. I am trying to get these boxwoods to establish themselves together right across that line in the same height. So that means sometimes I'm not going to trim the smaller one, I'll just trim the bigger one, help it catch up. You'll see I do the same thing on the right side over here, where I really only trim one of the bushes and I leave the others to catch up in their growth, because eventually they'll all grow the same and it'll be a nice straight line across there, uniform height. That's what I'm trying to accomplish. Now, this is the wonderful pyracantha, and it has some nice big meaty thorns on it. Yeah, I'll show them to you here in a little bit. But all these thorns, you better watch yourself falling down your head. Have something thick on your head, or you'll take one to the head. Good stuff, guys. Just watch me trim these two big, huge bushes, and be glad it wasn't you touching those big thorns. Quick note here, while you're trimming these bushes on your properties, if you come across vines that are growing from the bottom that you happen to miss during the weed pulling season, make sure you get these big nasty vines out of there. They will choke out your plants and trees and kill them, and then you'll be having to replace them. No one wants to do that when you could have stopped it from happening in the first place. Tip number 2 for the day. Alright, well, got about an hour before it's dark. Get all this swag cleaned up. Fun stuff. Let's do it. I guess that's a wrap for the video. Can't see nothing. Almost done.